everyone, sharing you the journey of Gaganchukki Falls and lovely experience. We started from Electronic City and exit to Kanakpura Road and headed towards Kanakpura. Early morning vibes are excellent. We got another toll gate at Haruhali Industrial Area. Now see the beautiful waterfall beyond words. It is just awesome.